Hello guys, one and all are welcome. So this is a new video lecture, and as we know, the VK Mehta, the electrical competition preparation is going on this channel of Electrical Wala, by Neeraj Burma. So now today we are going to just start a new chapter whose name is Electrical Work, Power and Energy. So this is the chapter name Energy. So how the Joes guys to fulfill your energy to cover the chapter very smoothly. So without wasting our time, just go on a chapter overview, because chapter overview is too important to make interest in our topic, our chapter. So now first point is what? Important physical quantity. So here is given three physical quantity which is important respect to this chapter. So first one is mass, and second one is force, and third one is weight. So what is mass? In a single sentence we can say it is a quantity of matter possessed by body is known as mass. If anyone asks to you what is mass, then you have to just simply give you the definition of mass. It is the quantity of matter possessed by your body is known as mass. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. And the most important point according to mass is a constant quantity, and it is independent of place and position. But it introversy weight. Weight is not a constant quantity. Weight is not a constant quantity, and weight is dependent. Weight is dependent on place and position. So simply the definition of weight is what? The force with which body attracted toward the center of earth is known as weight. And you know this, acceleration due to gravity is very all where the earth. So weight can't be constant, but mass is always constant. And now third point is what? Second point is given here, force. Force is the multiplication of mass and acceleration, so is known as force. Here is given same thing, the product of mass and acceleration is known as force. Force the SI unit of force is Newton, right? Newton. So this is the physical quantity which is given in this chapter. There are three: one is mass, second one is force, and now third one is weight. So I hope now it's totally clear what is the difference between mass and weight, right? So now the second point of this chapter is unit of work and energy. So unit of work and energy is joule. Both one is work and energy, the SI unit is joule. So now we have to just common point number 3, some causes of mechanical work or energy. So first of all, as we know, work is equal to force into displacement, and the SI unit is joule. Joule is just defined as Newton per meter, sorry, Newton meter, not Newton per meter, Newton meter. So as you know, in first point is given what is work. Work equal to force multiplied by displacement, and SI unit as Newton meter. Now second point is given what work done in one revolution. So first of all, suppose a force of 5 Newton maintaining tangential as radius or is given. O is shown in figure 4.1. In one revolution, the point of application force travel through distance of 2 pi r. As you know, the circumference of circle is what? 2 pi r. So what is work done? So as you know, work done equal to force into displacement, distance moved in a one revolution. So force is written as F, and distance in one revolution is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r force and 2 pi r, and here is what? Force into r. Force into r is just torque is what? Force multiplied by perpendicular distance, so r. So here is force, and radius is displaced by torque. So 2 pi torque equal to what? Work done in this second point. So we should have to learn, this is really important. If I can say any question can ask on your examination, numerical based or theoretical based. If you learn, then you can easily solve the question. Otherwise you have to derive after that, you know what is the formula of work. In your competition exam, ask the question like that: what is the relation between work and torque? So if you learn, then you can just, if you learn, then you can tick the question of answer in your competitive exam. So it's really important regarding to your examination. So what is third point is what? Third point is if a body of mass m kg and moving with speed V meter per second. So kinetic energy, as you know, yeah, in your I think class 11th or 12th, you learn very well, and the formula of kinetic energy equal to half mv square. And this is the kinetic energy. As we know, energy and work have same sign unit, equal to joule, Joule. So half mv square is measured in joule. And last one is potential energy. Potential energy equal to mgh, where m equal to mass, g equal to acceleration due to gravity, and h equal to height. Right, here is given work done equal to force required into height into acceleration due to gravity is known as potential of energy of body, right? So I think in this video lecture we just cover up some important physical quantity, and what is mass, force and weight, it's covered in this video. And second one is unit of work, and there are three I know fourth important I can say formula according to work and energy, and we should have to learn. So as you know why I am just starting this series, I mean totally from basic level, because if your basic is strong, then your I can say higher will also be strong. So basic is too important if you want to make interest in upcoming video. Just like you know, this is a electrical session is going on, so the main core subject of electrical engineering is what? First one is machine, machine, machine. Second one is machine, machine. Oh my god, machine, yeah. Second one is EIM, electrical instrumentation and measurement. And third one is BEE, in basic electrical and in basic electrical engineering. And in machine you learned about DC motor, AC motor, alternator, transformer. In EIM you learned about all the instrument measuring, I mean instrument and measurement. And BEE in basic electrical engineering. After that, switch gear and protection. I mean there are lots of subject is coming, just like I mean digital electronic, DE, digital electronic, in which we have to deal about digital electronic. After that, analog electronics. So analog electronics, so how you make interest, it's important, it's really important to understand. So I hope you just what's happening, guys. Yeah, so first of all, as you know, if your base is strong, then automatically your interest is going in this chapter. So now I think it's now it's time to, I mean, just finish this video. And after this video, the notes is prepared for this. So third, we are going to just cover electrical energy. Fourth point, electrical energy in next chapter. Sorry, next video lecture. After that, thermal energy and use unit of power. And that's finish this chapter. And after that, I think some given cell in series and cell is parallel. So after this chapter also finish fourth chapter. So I think within a two video lecture, I would like to, I mean, just make a manage and make a video lecture within a two video lecture completely, and I mean completely and deeply. So I hope you if you watch the videos, then obviously you gain some knowledge from there. So don't forget to share. And if you really like this session, then don't forget to like it. So share please. Thank you so much.